I won't make it easy for you now.
Hey Glam fam, welcome to the channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys a citrus shot. I don't know if you guys know or not, but my life is very busy, okay? So in order to keep the energy rolling, I have to do something to keep myself in check. And this is one of the ways that I do exactly that. If you are someone who needs an extra boost of energy for whatever reason, this is something that you want to continue watching. Also, this is a drink that will also be beneficial for belly fat. So make sure that you stay tuned in. Now, of course, as with any type of fruit, you of course want to start by rinsing it off. We don't know where these fruits have been. People have picked them up, put them back down, did all types of stuff with them probably. So of course you want to start by rinsing them off. And then we're going to start by slicing off the skin from the lemon and also from the orange. Now, if you guys are interested, my mom is the one who is helping with this juicing process. Y'all know that me and my mama are always working together, okay? So make sure that you all check out her channel down below in order to watch more of these amazing videos that she posts about improving your skin, your body, and just your overall appearance inside and outside. So as we know, fruits like oranges and also like lemons both contain citrus. Now, citrus juices are packed with vitamin C, a natural immune system booster. They also have antioxidants, which are helpful in preventing and combating cancer, heart disease, and degenerative diseases. By the way, if you find that you are interested in the juicer that we are using, it is going to be listed down below. I absolutely love the beautiful shade of red that it is, and honey, it is just absolutely fabulous. Now, we are also going to be adding in some pineapples, which I'm going to talk about those a little bit more in a second. But you guys, it is amazing to drink citrus juice. You reap amazing benefits, and one of the best ways to drink this shot is when you first wake up. On an empty stomach is the best way to have this. It is going to give you a boost of energy. Now, another thing that it can be beneficial for is it is an antioxidant. It can help to increase the metabolism to help you to burn more fat. So if you are someone who is interested in some of the benefits that I just mentioned, well then you might want to try this out, because a fast metabolism, a slimmed down waist, and all of these amazing benefits such as it combating cancer, heart disease, and degenerative diseases is amazing. I definitely recommend that everybody tries this out. In fact, I encourage you guys to, because it is going to help you out so much on your life journey, okay? And being someone who is always typically in need of energy because I'm always on the go, this has been a lifesaver for me. So as you guys can see, we added some ice in the shot, and we will be using about 1.5 teaspoons of ginger powder as well. Now, just talking about a few of the benefits of ginger. Ginger is great for preventing nausea. It soothes the stomach and gives relief from inflammation. It can also help to fight against morning or motion sickness. Now, there are a few other benefits of ginger, like it helping to relieve a common cold and also a few other things, but these are some of the benefits that are different from what I just mentioned earlier. Now, it's also beneficial for your cardiovascular system, so it is absolutely amazing. And you guys, I absolutely love this. It actually tasted pretty good. If you are someone who loves oranges or just any type of citrusy fruits to begin with, you are going to actually like this, okay? It's quite tasty in my personal opinion, and I really did enjoy it. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you all check out my mom's channel down below, and I'm clocking out for now, but I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!